Giving us good vibes, hundreds of tourists join the Suroy-Suroy Sugbo Southern Heritage Trail. This is a major tourism initiative of Cebu Provincial Government showcasing the unique culture, customs and traditions of Cebuanos. Philippine Information Agency Central Visayas, Josette Antista tells us more.
A total of 350 local and foreign visitors were treated to scenic destinations, culinary delights, and heritage sites in the Suroy-Suroy Sugbo Southern Heritage Trail in Cebu last weekend. The three-day tour took stops in 22 municipalities in southern Cebu. Visitors were captivated by the spectacular views and attractions, native delicacies, and the diverse culture and history with fascinating cultural performances. The Suroy-Suroy Sugbo program is a major tourism initiative of the Cebu Provincial Government under Governor Gwendolyn Garcia.
What will make them come is our unique heritage, our unique culture, our customs and traditions. Kay kana atong maangkong Sugboanon kini. As we continue to lead the way, as we continue to give life to the President himself words, President Bongbong Marcos has repeated it time and again. Once again, Cebu leads for the rest of the country to follow. Then, let us fulfill those kind words from our President. Let's make him proud. Let's make the country proud.
The program started in 2005 and has been effective in promoting Cebu's local tourism industry. From the Philippine Information Agency Central Visayas, Josette Antista, Balitang Pambansa.